Hi sewers and aspiring sewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Doyen, and if this is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, this is me saying welcome on board. On this channel we post tutorial videos on streetwears and we share tips on how you can grow your streetwears business. So if this looks like what you're interested in, then you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm sure you would agree with me that sublimation print is not just any type of print. It has its own unique features. The quality is top notch. The fact that the print doesn't fade is another unique aspect of it, and the fact that it also gives your fabric a lighter texture feel even after branding and designing. It is so amazing. Now, with all the beautiful features of sublimation printing, it has its own techniques, and so it is not just something you can do if you do not understand how to achieve it. So if you're interested in learning about sublimation, I have organized a class for you which is coming up on the 29th of May 2026, where you're going to be learning the aspect of sublimation and how you can use it in achieving a t-shirt. So if this looks like what you are interested in, then you want to send a DM to the number on your screen to enroll for this class. And no, registration is not free. The class is going for a token of just 2,999 naira, which is approximately 3,000 naira for the first 20 students to register. You're going to be learning a lot in this class, and what I am giving you is just a giveaway price for what you're going to be learning, because this is a launching price. Again, if you're interested in upgrading your skill in streetwear fashion, we have other courses option for you where you can learn how to properly make a round neck t-shirts, polo shirts, hoodie, varsity jackets, tracksuits, cargo pants, sweatpants, joggers, tracksuits, and color patch techniques. We have these courses available for you. So it's just all you just need to do is send a DM to the number on your screen, and we'll pick it up from there. We also have size chart available for kids. We have size chart, that's streetwear size chart for kids, which is 2,999 naira. We also have for adults, which is also 2,999 naira. So in essentially, by you're getting both size charts, that's for kids and for adults, you're going to be getting at a cost of 5,000 naira. So just send a DM to the same number on your screen to get the size chart. It is in a PDF format, so you just get that and you have unlimited access to the size chart. So that will be all on this video. I will see you guys in class when you register. Bye.